Welcome to our tutorial about the OpenFileDialog object. Up to this point, we've been hard-coding the file path into our code. In this tutorial, we'll incorporate the OpenFileDialog object, which allows you to select a specific file. Let's begin by going to Design View. Open the toolbox. Select All Windows Forms. Here is the OpenFileDialog object. Simply drag and drop it here. Now let's go to the code window and type some code. Open File Dialog 1, period, filter, space, equals space, open quotations, text files, space, open parenthesis, asterisk, .txt, close parenthesis, comma, space, pipe, asterisk, .txt, close quotations. Now a hard return. Open File Dialog 1, period, show dialog, and open and close the parentheses. Here we're going to type Open Files, Dialog 1, period, file name. Let's comment out the message box and see how our program works. Click Open. Here's our files of type text files. Let's choose test4.txt and open it. As you can see, the contents appear in our text box. Let's open another, test2, and its contents now appear in our text box. This concludes our tutorial on how to use the OpenFileDialog object.